If you love learning to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. Today, we're playing our second weekly piano routine together. Weekly piano routines is a way for you to include a peaceful daily piano exercise in your routine every week. The music is particularly for late beginner piano players, but please go ahead and adapt it to whatever's most comfortable for you. You can follow along on screen, or if you'd like to download a copy of the free piano sheet music, please head to the link below. This week, we're familiarizing ourselves with the key of F major, which has one flat, B flat. The key signature on every line of the music reminds us that whenever we see a B note, we'll instead play its neighbour to the left, B flat. The exercise we're learning is based on 4 chords from this key. Each chord begins on a different note of the F major scale, but the structure of each chord is the same. So we have our F chord, F, skip up to A, skip up to C. We also call this chord 1 because it's built on the first note of the F major scale. B flat chord, B flat, D, F, we also call this chord 4. C chord, C, E, G, we also call this chord 5. And D chord, D, F, A. We also call this chord 6. This is a minor chord, while all the others we're playing are major, so you might notice the difference in the sound. Sometimes we'll play the notes of the chords all at once, or we might play them one at a time, and sometimes we'll play the notes of the chords in order, other times in a different order. Sometimes we'll leave out a note of the chord or even add extra notes in between the chords. And in version 5, we'll add a B flat to our C chord to create a special C7 chord. We have 3 crotchet or quarter note beats in a bar here. We'll also play minims or half notes, which last for 2 counts, and dotted minims or dotted half notes, which last for 3 counts, the full bar here. In today's routine, we also have some ties. So when we see this curved line connecting 2 of the same note, we won't play the second note, but instead we'll hold for the total length of both notes. Okay, we're all set. Let's just enjoy the music now and make this piano routine our own. Here's version 1. Here's version 2. Here's version 3. Here's version 4. And here's version 5. And there we are. Next, you might like to review or learn our G major routine from last week, and look out for our new song tutorial coming this week, in F major, of course. I'll see you next week for another weekly routine. To hear about these videos and more, please feel free to subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day.